Welcome to GnuCash 5.0 series. You may be wondering, what is GnuCash? Well, that's why I'm here, to introduce you to a free and open source accounting software that is powerful and versatile enough to help small to medium-sized businesses handle their financial records and perform basic accounting tasks with ease. GnuCash can be installed on a desktop or a laptop computer. I don't know about you, but I like the idea of having my financial records on my computer and not on a cloud. It offers support for various types of operating systems, from the newest to some of the older operating systems. The program also supports businesses operating in different countries or dealing with foreign currencies. To tell you a little bit about myself, I spend my time testing GnuCash so that you don't have to, and so that I can help beginning users learn how to use the program quickly and easily. In my opinion, GnuCash makes an excellent option for startups and small businesses with limited budgets, or anyone who would like to save money on the cost of commercial brand accounting software. GnuCash may not have all the bells and whistles of QuickBooks or Quicken, but it gets the job done. And best of all, it's free. One of the main key features of GnuCash is that it follows the standard double entry accounting method, which ensures that each transaction has an equal and opposite entry to maintain balance in your accounts. As with any good accounting program, GnuCash helps you keep track of those important business financial transactions, such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and investments. And it doesn't stop there. GnuCash offers features specifically tailored to small businesses, such as invoicing, accounts payable and accounts receivables, payroll tracking, and the ability to track your customers' and vendors' information. You can generate various financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and more. The grafting capabilities helps you to visualize your financial data. You can also create budgets and track your spending. The program provides tools for setting up financial goals, monitoring your progress, and generating reports to analyze your financial performance. GnuCash offers automated features that can save you time on data entry, such as importing tools that you can use to import your financial data directly into GnuCash. To name just a couple, banking transactions and Quicken files, which is especially useful if you're a previous Quicken user looking to transfer your accounting files to GnuCash. There's a quick fill feature that makes it easy to enter common transactions and automatically complete them. You can set the system up to automatically enter for you repetitive financial data entry transactions based on the date you specify. An example is a bill you have to pay every single month, day, or week, or every 3 weeks. For instance, say you have a website. The hosting company in most cases will automatically deduct your monthly or yearly or quarterly fee directly from the cash account you have on file. You can set up GnuCash so that the payment transaction to the hosting company is automatically entered into your GnuCash records on the specified date. One of the best features GnuCash offers is the ability to reconcile your financial transactions data with your bank and credit card statements, which helps you to identify any discrepancies, and it ensures the accuracy of your financial data. Every business owner can use a little help with tax preparation. GnuCash helps you by providing reports and financial data you need to file your tax returns or to provide to your accountant. Overall, GnuCash is a comprehensive accounting tool that helps individuals and small businesses manage their finances by keeping track of their financial activities, tracking transactions, and maintaining accurate financial records. Join me on YouTube as I break down GnuCash so that even a baby will be able to master it quickly and easily.